FloatMe charges a monthly membership fee because the app only unlocks cash advance access and key financial tools after you subscribe, not just when you download it. By the end, you'll know what FloatMe's membership actually includes, how it affects cash advances, and whether it makes sense for your situation. FloatMe is a cash advance and budgeting app. That means the free version is very limited, while the membership unlocks the main features most people install it for, like cash advances and financial tracking tools. If you're not subscribed, the app can feel like it's not doing much at all. Now focus on the biggest misunderstanding. Paying for FloatMe does not guarantee instant cash or guaranteed approval. The app still checks your bank account activity, income deposits, and transaction history before allowing any advance. If your financial data doesn't look stable, you can still get limited or no access even with a membership. Next, look at what the membership is actually doing. The subscription mainly gives you access to the core features of the app, especially cash advances and budgeting tools. It's not just a fee for money. It's more like a gateway that lets the app evaluate your account and decide what you qualify for. Now talk about usage behavior. If you only open FloatMe once in a while when you need emergency cash, the membership can feel unnecessary between uses. But if you rely on it regularly for short-term cash support, the subscription becomes more relevant because it keeps your account active in the system. Now talk about account activity. FloatMe constantly updates your eligibility based on your bank connection and income patterns. If your deposits are inconsistent or your account disconnects, your advance availability can change. That's often mistaken as the subscription not working, when it's actually eligibility changing. Now focus on value. The membership only makes sense if you're using more than just the cash advance feature. If you're not using budgeting tools or financial tracking features, the subscription doesn't add much beyond occasional access. Here's the simple breakdown. FloatMe's membership cost is tied to access and eligibility, not guaranteed cash advances. The real value depends on how often you use the app and how consistent your banking activity looks. Do this next. Open your FloatMe app and check your current membership status. Then look at your cash advance history and see how often you are actually approved. After that, check whether you use any budgeting or tracking tools inside the app. If you're only using it for occasional emergencies, the membership likely isn't giving you enough value to keep paying for it. FloatMe works best as a backup financial tool, not a primary source of cash.